Okay, welcome back. 14 minutes to go for the pre-open session, and the GIFT Nifty is indicating a higher start. It's a big week. Anuj is standing by with a quick trade setup. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. Well, lots lined up, seriously. And you know what? I do believe that we have some kind of a turning point. I could be wrong here, but two or three reasons. A, the market's corrected and the weak hands are out of the system. And the weekend developments, they have given a big fillip actually for the market. I tell you what, the 22nd Jan event perhaps would go down as some kind of inflection point because the politics has changed after that. You've seen that with the way Nitish Kumar has switched sides once again, and now this talk about 40-0 in Bihar, for example. Mamata Banerjee in West Bengal, and you've seen basically the whole India alliance getting a bit of a knock. At least that's what the market circles are talking about. How much of that it translates into that is, of course, for us to see. But that's what the market would take it as a key takeaway, and perhaps that also explains that the GIFT Nifty is up about 150 points or thereabout. In terms of other cues, of course, there's a big week. We have so many numbers. I think the most important numbers would be ITC and SBI. SBI from the bank Nifty point of view becomes very important. Not just that, you have the FOMC decision on which we'll be reacting on the same day as the union budget, even though it's interim. And of course, there's weekly expiry as well. And just to throw in, the auto sales would also come out. So a lot lined up in terms of cues. February has historically been a very volatile series, a series with big moves. It's seen, January, for example, the range has been 1 to 1.5%. In February, we have seen 3 to 5%, and in certain cases, even 9% moves. Obviously, because, it has a budget. So after that, you normally see big moves. Now coming to the levels on the Nifty, is a big test of market's texture if today's gap up sustains or not. The first support is 21,352, which is Thursday's close, and big support at 21,247, which is Thursday's low. On the upside, 21,459 and 21,625 are the resistance levels. And quickly onto the Bank Nifty, you got to see how the HDFC Bank stock behaves from here. At some point, of course, the FI selling would come to an end. For now, there's no indication of that. The good thing is, the Bank Nifty tested 200-day moving average, not once, not twice, but thrice, and every time managed to defend it.
All right, thanks a lot for that. And it's important to put that political move into perspective as well, and what to expect this time around in terms of a market move. The market loves one thing, that is political stability and policy stability more than anything else. And as we head into the elections, if the BJP comes back in the third term, then that will of course be a big positive, big win for them from a market's point of view.